It's another day for another tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to create glass effect on your text. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hello guys, you are welcome to this channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create a glass effect on a text. So what you need to do now is just very simple. Go over to your shape, click shape, then click the small arrow there, this small arrow, click it, then you choose this particular shape here, this particular shape, you choose it, you go over to gradient here, go over to gradient, click the plus button there, this plus button, this one, click it. Then if you come here, the next thing you need to do is click color, this thing, click it, click the color, then you drag it to transparent, make everything to be transparent. Like from here, drag this place, this particular one to this transparent place. Let's do it. Make sure you keep it at the end. Then for the top one, the middle one, this middle one, you drag it from here to here. Make sure it's on white. You drag it like this, you click OK, then you click OK again. Now you have created the glass effect. You click OK. Here is the glass effect. Here is it. You can keep it, direct it anyhow based on what you want. So you can keep it like this if you want, but it's not the way it's being done. You can adjust it and keep it the way you want it to be. So here is the glass effect here. Here is the glass effect. Thank you for watching this video. Do well to subscribe. Thank you.